In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy poke bowl. It's full of sushi rice, lots of vegetables, some protein, and lots of flavor. I'm Fiona. Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. So sometimes when I have some things left over in the fridge and I want to put together a nice quick meal, I would make my version of a poke bowl. So here I have some sushi rice which I've cooked and cured. If you want to have a look at my sushi video, you can see how I do that with the rice vinegar, and then, or you could have one just the plain rice. So on top of that, first of all, I'm going to put a bit of protein. So I'm going to put, say, some smoked salmon. Then often on top of the rice, I like to sprinkle a little bit of a good quality soy sauce. This is the ginger one by Fused. Sprinkle a little bit of that on. Then I'm going to add some vegetables. So I have some chopped peppers. I'm going to add in some guacamole. Some sliced mango. Then I will add in some pineapple. Maybe some chopped peanuts, some chopped up seaweed, and then on top I might drizzle some, this is wasabi mayonnaise, so I've just literally put some wasabi paste into mayonnaise, and then I'll put a little bit of water in to make it into a nice pouring consistency. And there you have my version of a poke bowl, a nice, quick, healthy dinner. Thanks for watching today's video on the poke bowl, Fiona style. I'd love to know what you think. Like or maybe comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular updates. Have you checked out my video on how to cut a mango? Or for making the nice guacamole that I used in this? Thanks for watching. See you soon.